So this time we've got the vehicle that can drive on walls and stuff. So load it up, get in. This is how to transition from a flat surface to a vertical one. And this demonstrates what happens if you come off. The way it works is gravity is downwards from the vehicle's perspective. So if you come off whatever you're riding, you just have to kind of point back to where you want to go and you will land. So if you want to come off the edge of something like a building, then you just need to go slowly, get the front two wheels off so that the gravity twists the car, and then that will then drag you forward onto the vertical surface, like so.